Good day, I am Cedric Buntanon and today I will demonstrate basic basketball skills. The game starts with a jump ball at center court. After scoring, the opposing team inbound the ball from the baseline. A field goal is worth 2 points. A shot beyond the 3-point line is 3 points, and a free throw line is 1 point. Traveling. Common violations include traveling, which is moving without dribbling. Double dribble. Double dribble, which is dribbling again. The team with the most points at the end of the game wins. Basketball games are usually divided into quarters, and the high score determines the winner.